boys and girls. We are on week 18 of your vocabulary words. Today is day 1, so we are going to take a look at these 3 words. They are circumstances, elated, and dejected. So let's look at the first word. That word is circumstances. So maybe you've heard that word before, or maybe you've heard the word circumstance. But the definition of this word is the facts or events that affect or explain a situation. So we're going to play a game called Imagine That. Let's take a look at the first example. It is Monday morning. A group of students walk into a classroom. All of them have bright red cheeks and are wearing boots, gloves, and coats. What circumstances might explain the situation? What fact or event might explain why the students have bright red cheeks and are wearing boots, gloves, and coats? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. You can use this sentence frame right here to complete your thought. Right, if we look at the graphic here, the visual that's provided, we can see that it looks like the boys and girls are standing in the snow. That is the circumstance that might explain their bright red cheeks and why they are wearing boots, gloves, and coats. Let's look at this example. It's Monday morning. The school bell rings, but no students enter the building. In fact, there are no students or teachers in school. What circumstances might explain the situation? Again, if you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Right, maybe it's a day off of school, just like we had this Monday, where we were away due to a holiday. Let's look at the next word. It is elated. So elated means extremely happy or excited. Take a look at this example. If you are elated, you aren't just kind of happy. You are extremely happy and overwhelmed with joy. I am a huge Pittsburgh Steelers fan. The last time they won the Super Bowl, I was elated. I want you to think to yourself, when is a time that you have felt elated? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk. You can use this sentence frame right here to complete your thought. Let's look at the last word that we're going to study today. That word is dejected. Dejected means that you are sad and discouraged or in very low spirits. So elated and dejected are antonyms. So now I want you to think, am I describing something that would have you feeling elated or dejected? Let's take a look. Nicole plays softball. She has been working hard to improve her batting. When she hits a home run in her next game, she throws her cap in the air and shouts, "I did it! I did it!" Nicole is elated or Nicole is dejected because right, Nicole is elated. If she's been really practicing and working hard at improving her batting, and then she hits the ball and she actually hits a home run, of course she's going to be elated or extremely happy. Let's look at the next example. Ahmed has been looking forward to his grandmother's visit for weeks. When his mother tells him that his grandmother is ill and cannot travel, Ahmed's shoulders sag and he tries not to cry. So is Ahmed feeling elated or dejected? What do you think? Right, in this example, this young man is feeling dejected. He's very sad, he's very low in spirits because he was looking forward to his grandmother's visit and now she is unable to visit. Let's look at the last example. On Saturday morning, Michaela's mother surprises the family. "Grab your swimsuits," she tells them. "We're going to the beach." Michaela and her sister hug each other, hop up and down, and shout for joy. Is Michaela feeling elated or dejected? In this example, I think we can all agree that Michaela is definitely feeling elated. I can see it in the visual, and I know that she's jumping up and down and shouting for joy, so she is very happy. That wraps up day 1. We'll see you back tomorrow for 22.